In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate the Wix platform using both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to set up and customize your online store. Let's get started. First things first, head over to wix.com and log into your account. This step is your gateway, allowing you access to the personalized dashboard for managing all the critical aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, it's time to focus on your website. Click on Edit Site to transition to the Wix editor. The editor is where the magic of customization happens, letting you breathe visual life into your online presence. Here, navigate to the option to add apps, which is invaluable for expanding your site's functionality seamlessly. One noteworthy app to search for is Wix Stores. Within the search bar, type in Wix Stores and look for it in the results. When you find it, click Add to Site. This step is crucial because Wix Stores integrates key e-commerce components automatically. A shop page, cart page, checkout page, and thank you page get created instantly, saving you a tremendous amount of setup time. Now let's move on to organizing your products. Collections in Wix provide a handy way to group related products under categories like shoes or accessories. To do this, head into your dashboard and find Store Products in the menu. From here, click on Collections and then select Plus New Collection. Give it a relevant name that conveys the content within, such as Summer 2025. Adding products to these collections is straightforward. Simply check the relevant products and select Add to Collection. What's particularly beneficial is that each product can belong to multiple collections, offering flexibility in how you showcase them to potential customers. Now we delve into creating store pages for these collections so customers can shop by category. In the Wix editor, find menus and pages and then click on plus add page to establish a new page dedicated to one of your collections. Name this page accordingly, like shoes. Within this new blank page, click plus add and then store followed by product gallery. The most common format is the grid gallery, ideal for displaying your products clearly. After setting up your gallery, adjust the settings to select which collection it displays, ensuring the page shows only that specific group of products. Once your collection pages are ready, customize each page to reflect your brand's aesthetics, change grid layouts, adjust product card styles, and activate quick view to enhance user experience. Add banners, text blocks, or promotional messages to attract attention, encouraging users to explore your collections, like Shop Our Summer 2025 collection. Link these new collection pages to your site's navigation. Go back to menus and pages, click on the site menu, and add links for each collection page you've created. This step ensures smooth navigation, allowing customers to easily browse through your categorized products. Before going live, click on Preview to see everything in action. If you're satisfied with how the site looks and functions,